Perched at the edge of the impossible, a colossal Air Max-inspired mansion rises from the cliff like a symbol of limitless ambition, dominating the landscape with curves that radiate precision and glowing lines that feel alive. As if the structure itself breathes success, this is not just a home, it's a statement the world cannot ignore. Step inside, and you enter a realm where design meets dominance, where sunlight streams through sculpted openings and dances across golden accents suspended above, while rich yellow textures command attention, wrapping the entire space in confidence and power. Not whispering luxury, but declaring victory. At the heart of the mansion lies a grand dining arena with 1 table, 12 seats, and 0 compromise, where polished dark marble meets flowing white surfaces, creating a setting where empires are shaped. Every meal feeling like a deal sealed, and every moment charged with influence. Deeper inside, entertainment transforms into an experience as sleek bowling lanes stretch beneath the structure, glowing with bold energy, while plush lounges offer a front-row seat to a billionaire's playground, turning competition into pure art. As night falls, the atmosphere evolves into something even more powerful, with a glowing bar extending toward the endless city skyline, reflecting lights that stretch into infinity, where every drink feels like ownership and every glance outside reminds you that you stand above it all. Hidden within this masterpiece is a private gym carved from pure determination, surrounded by high-performance materials and golden light, where every movement feels like progress and every rep becomes a victory. And at the very top, the master sanctuary floats like a serene kingdom in the sky, with curved elegance, soft textures, and a view that never sleeps. This is where even in rest, power remains, where legends close their eyes and still own the night. Because this is not just a place to live, it's where greatness rises.
Subscribe my channel.